Hi, I'm Joe, and I had hip replacement at Athens Orthopedic Clinic. I've always been active in work out every day. We work on the weekends. We're always doing chores outside, but I started having pain in my hip, and it progressed over the next 6 or 7 months to the point that I couldn't work outside. I found myself staying inside more. I was unable to exercise. Every step I took was excruciating, going up and down stairs, getting dressed. All the simple things that you do were very uncomfortable and hard to do, and you dreaded getting dressed. Yeah, I'm a physician assistant at Athens Orthopedic Clinic for Dr. Ormonde Mahoney. I've been in orthopedics for over 30 years, and I've seen lots of total joints. And you really can't beat the quality of care that we have at Athens Orthopedic Clinic, where the physicians are certainly known throughout the state, and some are internationally known. So there was no doubt in my mind that when the time came to have my hip replaced, I was going to have Dr. Mahoney do it. The surgery was definitely a success. I left the hospital with no pain. I went into the hospital with pain, and I left the hospital without pain. After 2 weeks, I was back doing my normal exercises almost. I actually walked a mile 2 weeks after having the hip replacement. I don't require any kind of assisted device to get around, and I have no pain. So I don't have any problems going up and down stairs and all the normal activities of daily living.
There's an egg. You want here?
I'm back in the backyard playing with the chickens, along with my wife, with the grandchildren, doing all the things I love to do. Most definitely, after I had my hip replacement, I would recommend Athens Orthopedic Clinic, and Dr. Mahoney is one of the best.